Hello students. So today I am here to give you some updates about NATA exam 2020 with reference to the notice given by Council of Architecture on 17 July 2020. So it means whatever I will be speaking in this video, it will be in reference to this particular notice. So very first thing that has been changed is your date, the exam date. The previous exam date was 1st of August 2020. Now the new date which is given to us is 29th August 2020 for your first attempt of NATA. Now second attempt of NATA, it will be held on say coming months, and that update will be given to you by Council of Architecture in future. So as if now they have not decided for the date for your second attempt of NATA. So secondly, the second major change has happened is we had 125 marks drawing in our previous exam and 75 marks of your online part. So now part B. So part A was your drawing, part B was your online, that is your general aptitude and your PCM. Now what has happened, Council have decided that they will be taking this exam totally online. So no more offline thing will happen. It means no more drawing will be done. So instead of your drawing 125 marks, it will be replaced by your online part. And certainly new topics have been introduced. See, for example, they have given you this topics, that is you should be able to visualize and you visualize 3D, 2D shapes, and visualizing the principles of composition, that are your 2D and 3D, and again understanding the geometry, and you should be able to visualize shapes and solve geometrical puzzles, and again color scheme and the theory is given to you. So this is all about the change in this exam, and it will be MCQs type. Okay, so no more drawing, only MCQs, and the total 125 marks will be shifted to your MCQ types with this new topics. And certainly we'll get the details in your NATA brochure, which will be coming soon to us. And one more big thing to share is this exam will be online, total online, and you can give this exam from your very own place, from your home. Yes, you heard it right. You can give this exam from your home. And certainly for the student who don't have this access to your internet, the Council of Architecture will arrange test centers near you. Okay, so this is all about this. And again, one more thing I would like to tell my student: please don't panic. I know you have worked hard. You must be feeling sad that you have done lots of sketching, lots of drawing part since last 2 years, since last year, since last 3 months. You have been practicing hard, too hard. But see, whatever we learn, it doesn't go in vain. Okay, so it is not wasted. So in any which ways, it will be useful to you directly, indirectly in future. Okay, so don't panic, and we'll take this change as our advantage, because if you see it from view of Council of Architecture, they're thinking of safety of the students. So let's welcome this positive. Let's welcome this positively, and hopefully we'll see that it happens smoothly. And for the same purpose, we have also rescheduled our classes. We have also made certain changes in our teaching styles. So we'll be teaching you everything online. Obviously it will be online, but obviously this new topics, it will be introduced to you. New topics, everything will be given to you. So you not need to worry, just stay motivated. Take this as your advantage. And at Rajmudra, again, this year also we need to top. Every year we need to keep this legacy. So please be motivated. Just see that you give your best. Okay, that's what I wanted to tell you guys. So please stay motivated. Best luck.